Welcome back, everyone. It's game time, and today game time's going to be basketball game, and it's going to be 18-19 Prizm rack packs with the bonus 3-card red, white, and blue Prizm pack inside. 15 total cards. Did I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 of these? So hopefully we get a couple of good rookies. At least one Luka. That would be nice. A couple other good rookies, a couple of silvers. That's the hope. And now we'll see the reality. Alright, DeMar Carroll, Augustin Shaq O'Neal, Hall Monitors, Anubi. Petrovic, Alex Burks, silver, Alec Burks, Paul Pierce, dominance, and TJ Warren. Quinn Cook, James Johnson, a Kevin Herter emergent, and Trey Young rookie. And our exclusive red, white, and blue pack has Anubi, Morris, and Harry Giles. So not much happening there. Let's go again. Let's see what round 2 has for us. Fry, Crowder, Grayson Allen, emergent, and Jared Vanderbilt. Cantor, Dennis Smith Jr., silver, Jerome Robinson, freshman phenoms, and a Mo Bamba rookie. Harrison Barnes, Bobby Portis, John Stockton, Hall Monitors, and Jeff Teague. And then our parallel pack. Sweet, Michael Porter Jr. So we got a good rookie. Stockton and DeMar DeRozan. Well, it got a little bit better that time around. Maybe it'll get even better this time. If I can get into the pack, that is. Alright. Dinwiddie, Olnick, silver, Kevin Durant, dominance, and Dirk Nowitzki. Can't hold on to the pack. Alright, Deladova, Moore. Oh, there's a Luka emergent. That's good. Kaminsky. Now I'll take any Luka I can get. He is on fire. I watched some of his highlights, like his 15 of his best shots the other day on YouTube. It was pretty incredible. Patrick Ewing, Dwight Howard silver, Jabari Parker green, and Gerald Green. Alright, Kyle Lowry, Justin Jackson, and a Trier rookie. Nice. We're doing alright. Definitely seen people do worse with the red, white, and blue packs. Wow, this can be brutal. Garnett, Aaron Holiday rookie, Aaron Holiday freshman phenoms, and Batum. Embiid, Baron Davis silver, Oscar Robertson green, and Derrick Rose. Be cool to pull a green rookie. I'd forgotten that we're going to get some greens in here. There's a Kevin Knox rookie, Buddy Hield, Larry Bird Hall Monitors, and Zach LaVine. And our parallel pack. Charles Barkley, Sir Charles, and Markkanen, and Austin Rivers. Alright. Halfway through. Alright, Willie Cauley-Stein, Okobo, silver rookie. So there's another silver for us. Hakeem Olajuwon, dominance, and Josh Hart rookie. Come on. Work with me. Miles Bridges rookie. Musa rookie. Jerome Robinson emergent. And DeAnthony Melton rookie. What a pack. That was an all rookie pack. Dragic. Hizanya. Silver. Kevin Knox. Silver freshman phenoms. And Jamal Murray. And our red, white, and blue has the following: Grant, Donovan Mitchell, and Jarrett Allen. So no rookie there. We were on a roll with rookies in the red, white, and blue pack and then just fell off. Alright, getting down to the last few. Dinwiddie, Kemba Walker silver, a green. Getting a lot of vet green. And I don't mean like current players, like vet. Deladova, Exum, Grayson Allen, and Gerald Green. Nurkic, Bledsoe silver, Anthony Simmons emergent silver, and Ariza. Alright, can we get a rookie, red, white, and blue rookie this time? Can we? Well, looks like we did. Rudy Gay, Alfred Payton, and it is Jacob Evans the third. Alright, last two. Need some mojo. Get a little bit of luck here at the end. Although this hasn't been bad at all. Could have been better, but it definitely could have been a lot worse. Work with me. This pack is heat sealed to the mother pack. Alright. Ginobili, Damari Carroll silver, Reggie Miller Hall Monitors, and Kyrie Irving. Lou Williams, Exum, Moritz Wagner, freshman phenoms, Trevor Ariza again. Hollis Jefferson. Oop, there's my drop a card. That's okay. It's just Rondé. Nurkic, Shaq, Dominance, and Caldwell Pope. Alright. Red, white, and blue. Chandler Hutchinson. There we go. So got a rookie there. Another Donovan Mitchell, red, white, and blue, and Murray. Alright, last pick. Last one. What we gonna do? What we gonna do? Give me a silver. I need one. Silver rookie, I mean, I need to be specific. Oh, I see a green. It is Melvin Frazier. I don't know much about him. Maybe he's good. Somebody tell me in the comments that he's good. Make me happy. He doesn't look happy, so I don't know. He looks kind of ticked off. Bridges rookie. Will Barton. Lonnie Walker the 4th. And Carmelo. There's Al Horford, Draymond Green, silver, Julius Irving, dominance, and what was this? Deadman. Alright, that's it. What do we got? Oh, well, that's not bad. Trae Young's red, white, and blue, Jay Crowder, and Napier. So, not a bad way to end it. So we ended up with that. One green, a couple other red, white, and blue rookies, the silver emergent, silver freshman phenoms, Knox, silver rookie, another red, white, and blue, the Luka emergent, and Michael Porter Jr. red, white, and blue. Lots of other base rookies too, so not too bad, I don't think. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think. I'm sitting there trying to judge it, but again, since I don't know basketball like you real fans of basketball do, it's hard for me to say for sure. This was a boom or bust. I think it's somewhere in between. I don't know. I think it actually is pretty good. Pretty good. Looks like I've watched a couple of breaks of this. Of course, it varies by the number of packs. I've seen people open fewer packs and pull, you know, better stuff, and then I've seen people open more packs and get less. I don't even know what in the hell I'm trying to say. Good grief. Let me just close this. Thanks for watching so much. Please like and subscribe, comment below, let me know what you think. Everybody take care of yourself, take care of others, and I'll be back with my next break very soon.